Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to turn the child lock on and off on your refrigerator in just a few easy steps. First, let's on the child lock. Locate the control panel on your refrigerator. This could be inside or on the door. Find the button or icon labeled child lock. On most models, it looks like a small padlock. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see a light or hear a beep indicating the child lock is activated. Now the child lock is on. This means the controls are locked, preventing little hands from changing the settings. To turn off the child lock, simply press and hold the same button for another 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the light turn off or hear another beep indicating the child lock is now deactivated. And that's it, your refrigerator controls are back to normal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.